Hi, I'm Shelly Ehler with Mission Oaks Counseling and Wellness Center, and I would like to personally invite you to my upcoming workshop entitled The Power of Gratitude. One thing I've learned in my life that I know to be absolutely true is what you focus on shows up in your life. The problem is a lot of times we focus on the wrong things. A lot of times we focus on what's missing in our life or what appears to be wrong in our life. And what happens is we continue to experience that over and over again as a result. But when you shift your focus from what's missing to what you have, and from what's wrong to what's working, and when you start counting your blessings instead of counting your problems, your life begins to shift dramatically. In my upcoming workshop, I'm going to share with you everything that I've learned about gratitude over the years. It is my favorite topic. I'm also going to share with you my personal gratitude practice that's made a huge change in my life, and I'm going to help you create one of your own. So if this sounds like something that you would like to experience, I hope that you will come and join us next Wednesday, March 21st at 6:30 p.m. at Mission Oaks Counseling and Wellness Center. You can register online or just show up. Bring some friends. We would love to see you there, and don't forget, gratitude is the attitude. See you soon.